Do you ever fight something until you can't fight it anymore? Yeah, that's where I am right now. So I've been away from the channel for a long time because, to be honest with you, it's like I started a couple of businesses and, they worked out and they were doing their stuff and, life was good. However, oh my gosh, like sometimes life says, okay, time for a new chapter. And we go, no time for a new chapter because I like the old chapter. And life goes, yeah, so you can let go of this thing or you can, or I'm going to pry your hands away from it. But we're moving to something else. And it hasn't exactly been the story, but it's kind of been the story where it's like, I want to move to a business that can possibly be life changing. But I'm afraid to stop like the businesses that I have. And I don't have to, but I kind of feel like it's, time to graduate. And, people have been losing jobs and people have been losing money, which, then affects, everything, including life and everything for businesses as well. And so you go, what can I do to not only help the people that are in that space, but also, kind of create something that is feeding the world. It's like, I know, I get it. Everyone wants something easy. So right now, all the AI this is and AI that's are out there and make $10,000 tomorrow with AI. I saw this guy the other day and he was like, and, he's got tens of thousands of views or whatever, maybe even hundreds by now, hundreds of thousands of views. And he's like, hey, I look up what people are looking for, and then I have chat make a PDF, and then I sell the PDF for $27. I find out what their needs and the pain points are, and then I type it in with this prompt, and I have chat make a document, and then I sell it to them. I'm like, okay, first of all, this whole chat thing, and I'm not against AI. I mean, I know a lot of people are. I'm not anti-AI. It's just that it seems like it's being used for nefarious things. For instance, let's just say the pain point, as they say, for the person was how to get a job in 2026. And they said, Claude or chat or whatever, Gronk, type up a PDF that I can sell to this person for $27. And chat goes out and scours the internet for whatever person's writing whatever and puts it together a document. And then they sell it for $27. Then the person buys it and tries it and it doesn't work. But the person's like, hey, I'm rich. It's like, what are we doing? You know what I mean? So it's like, instead of being like, what are we doing? And like, I was going to say it, humans being human sometimes. I'm like, how about we start empowering people that actually want to help people? And here's the thing that I realized that in doing that, and hopefully this is helpful to you. If you're out there thinking you have to try something, you want to try something new, or you're being called to try something new that's going to add to the positivity of human consciousness, or to, help yourself financially so you can help other people financially, whatever it is that you're looking to do. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Because and I'm gonna be honest with you. I may be sporadic. I'm gonna try to be, more consistent on this entrepreneurial journey of what business would this be? Entrepreneurial journey part, I don't know, it doesn't matter, 4 or 5 or something like that. But this is for those out there who have to do it by themselves. I'm really feeling like I wanted to start something, but I'm always like the kind of, you are the 5 people you're around, and so much better when you 2 or 3 are gathered and all this other stuff. But lately I've had the strangest feeling. Lately it's been tough to find people with the same or like mindedness to move into doing a business. So I've used it as an excuse not to start one. And then I don't even know what I want this second thing to be that's going to allow me to, grow revenue and help people at the same time. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know what it's going to be. So That's probably part of the thing. Anyways, actually, I feel kind of light even saying this into the camera. Maybe I'm actually answering the calling that I was supposed to answer a long time ago that I fought. But anyways, so it's going to be a journey on starting a business. I'm not going to promise I'm going to be here every day or every other day or whatever, because then this will be the job and finding the business won't be. But I will be here often. I will be here sharing what I'm learning. And actually, as I begin, there's something I want you to listen to. And I don't have a fancy editing thing to put up there for anything like that yet. So something that it's late here for me. That I want you to listen to. It's going to help you. It's called How to Get What You Want by Zig Ziglar. And he opens it with, a great story. I'm not going to ruin the story for you. Just it's on Audible. I don't have any promo codes. I don't have any, anything on this. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? If you comment entrepreneur, ooh, you got to learn how to spell. Woohoo! Comment entrepreneur on here. I'll have one of those things where it sends you a link to the book. So you don't have to look it up. So you make sure you get the right one. I don't know how I'm going to fix that on YouTube. I don't know if it's even possible, but it is going to be possible, and I'm going to make it happen. So if you if you comment entrepreneur, I'll send you a direct link to the book that I like to listen to, so you can hear the story and everything like that. But that's the biggest part of this whole thing is mindset. And I know everyone says it. I know everyone says, mindset is the biggest part of doing anything, but it really is, especially in entrepreneurship. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm actually going to go re-listen to it right now. Because I don't know, I just felt like it was the first thing you should listen to if you're looking to be an entrepreneur in 2026. Especially if you're looking to be an entrepreneur and you're, having to do it by yourself. So take a listen to it. Comment entrepreneur in the comments, and I'll send you a direct link or the email, not the email, because I didn't even ask for an email, but the mini chat thing will send you a link to the book. So entrepreneur, I'm not going to tell you to spell it, but if you spell it incorrectly, it might not send it to you. So Google it if you're having trouble spelling entrepreneur. And let's do that book. And I will see you guys in the next one. Here's what I want to cover on this channel for the next, year or so. One, how to get clear on what you want to do. For me, it's a bunch of quiet time. It's a bunch of just sitting, turning everything off, because we have a lot of people's ideas and opinions in our head that aren't ours. And so if you're going to get rid and find your own little place to do this stuff, you got to turn all those things off and start to hear your own voice, learn how to hear your own words. So the only way you can do that is turn the stuff off. So I'm turning all that stuff off. And then as soon as I say that, it's like, listen to Zig Ziglar. But I think the message is really good. And then after you listen to that, I think it's like an hour and a half audio or something like that. After you listen to it, turn it off and get clear on what you want your stuff to do by listening to your voice. Funny thing is, I wrote a book about this, about getting quiet for as long as it takes to find out what your next calling is. I also been feeling like I need to meditate or do some kind of prayer or something like that to connect with, your higher power or higher voice or whatever. So I'm going to do that too. Let me just say it to you guys. Yeah, I've built businesses before, but this is new. I am not starting with any kind of slush fund. I'm not starting with any kind of, we'll talk about that as we go on this channel. I'm not starting with any kind of, thing where people are like, I picked myself up on my bootstraps. I just asked my friend for $1 million and he loaned it to me and then I got started. Or my dad or my mom, were struggling. They were hard workers and we only had a business that only generated $900,000 a month. And so I had to dig myself. It's like, I'm not dishonoring those stories, and those are great, and I'm sure it was hard, but this ain't that. This is start from the bottom, now we're here. And if that's you, click like and subscribe and go on this journey, and then type in entrepreneurship, or entrepreneur, not entrepreneurship, because that won't that won't trigger the thing. Entrepreneur in the comments, and I will send you a link to Zig's speech that I would encourage you to listen to. Also, just like and comment and leave a response if you're looking to start your journey. Leave a comment and like what if you're in the same place, just trying to figure out what to do with the next part of your life, and you want to be a part of a community that's doing the same thing. Just leave a comment. I'm going to see them all. It's just me. There's only maybe 300 people on here, so if you leave a comment, I'll see it, and I'll respond to it. So, entrepreneur to get the thing, and then leave a comment about what you're looking to do. All right, well, I will see you in the next video. And no matter what it is that you're looking to do, just trust and believe that you can do it. I saw someone post, and I'll leave you with this. I'll also say, every problem you've had in your life, you work through it. So that's something to take with you. If you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace. Bye-bye.